Yes, we recognize Senator Erwin Tulfo.
Madam President, my question is,
Pati si Bam, galit na si Bam Aquino.
why?
Tingnan niyo yung expression ni Bam
Yes, we
Aquino
recognize
dito.
Senator Erwin Tulfo.
Madam President, my question is, why is the majority in such a hurry to tackle this motion? This allowing a senator for justifiable reasons to attend and participate in the session through teleconference, whereas in Rule 14, Section 41, under B, it says convene and hold a session through teleconference, video conference, or other reliable forms of remote or electronic means using appropriate information and communications technology system due to force majeure, Madam President, or the occurrence of a
Hindi naman
national
pandemic.
emergency. I guess
Hindi naman pandemic para mag-online. Ano yan? Patragis. Kasi kabado na sila sa majority. Alam nila. Ito naman kasi si Boyeng, in-announce ka agad eh. Na? Yan na naman si Boyeng eh. 5 daw, mahamsat, no? Sa mga senador, kakasuhan ng plunder. 5.
Madam President, this justifiable reason, what is that? Does that fall under force majeure or does it fall under national emergency, Madam President? My question
Madam
is,
Chair.
why are we in so hurry? Why are they, the majority, in a hurry to tackle this motion and divide the House, Madam President? We need answers in the minority.
Madam Chair.
Or is it because, Madam Chair, they're in a hurry because of news reports that probably 2 of our colleagues might land in jail this weekend?
Dalawang senador ngayong linggo. Makukulong. Sino yan? Jinggoy tsaka Joel Villanueva. Diyos ko, Lord.
Of news reports that probably 2 of our colleagues might land in jail this weekend. Is that the reason why? Is that the reason why they have to have this inserted, the Section 41C, para makaboto po kung sino man yung makukulong dahil sa announcement ng ombudsman na may lalabas na po ang warrant ng ilan sa mga kasama natin, Madam President.
Ay, grabe mga kausad. Ngayon ko lang narinig to. May ganitong eksena pala. Ay, Diyos ko, Lord Erwin Tulfo. Ang lutong ang lutong. My goodness.
Para makaboto po kung sino man yung makukulong dahil sa announcement ng ombudsman na may lalabas na po ang warrant ng ilan sa mga kasama natin, Madam President. That is my question, Madam
Madam
President.
Chair.
Kamusta naman ang pagmumukha ni Jinggoy at saka ni Joel Villanueva?
The
We recognize
gentleman
Senator-
is out of
Senate
order because his question sa mamadali, bakit, can be discussed in the actual motion. Can be discussed after the motion whether we should take it up. We take offense that bibigyan niya ng ganyang kulay. It's just like us saying, are you afraid if we have the hearing on the Blue Ribbon on flood control, mababanggit ka rin? You do not make that kind of statements here in the
Oops,
Senate
umalis na.
because you assume good faith from
Umalis na
everyone.
mga...
That rule hindi minadali.
Umalis na.
May 11 pa ho yun. So Madam Chair, I move that we divide the House.
Umalis na sila.
And the voting will be done via viva voce.
Madam President,
Minority Leader.
I move to adjourn or a quorum call. At least a higher precedence, Madam President.
So I only see the Minority Leader representing the minority. The others had left.
On Madam Chair, we will not object, but for the record,
Yes.
they scampered out and left the minority leader instead of discussing the rule. We are not even discussing the rule yet. And then, ganun na yung allegation nila. And no one from the minority stood up to say that out of order si Senator Erwin Tulfo. So we will not object, Madam Chair. In fact, we move that we adjourn till 5 p.m.
Madam President,
Monday.
before that,
Madam
Before we
President,
adjourn-
motion to adjourn is
Madam
not
President.
debatable. Akala ko ba magaling sa rules?
We're not
Parliamentary
debating.
inquiry.
It's not
We're not
debatable.
debating
Madam
minority
President,
Parliamentary
leader.
move to
Madam
adjourn.
President.
We're
I'm
not debating,
and
Madam
we
Chair.
will indeed adjourn.
Parliamentary inquiry.
Yes, Senator Marcolita.
Nung pong nagsimula tayo, Madam, meron po ba tayong quorum?
We had a quorum. Yes.
Yes, Madam President. Kapag ka po ba nag-walk out ang minority, nawawala po yung quorum. Nagsimula po tayong may quorum. It doesn't matter if they walk out.
Yes,
I think we still have the quorum.
Madam President, once there is a quorum call, you have to call the roll. Kahit naka-present lahat o kulang kanina o there was a motion to dispense, whatever that is.
Not
May
a funny
quorum
situation,
call.
Madam President. when
Motion
they-
to...
Natataranta na sila kasi hindi mangyayari yung gusto nila mangyari ngayon. Matragis yan. Gungunan nyo, karma. Lalo ka na, Marcoleta. Diyos ko po, Rudy.
when they
Motion to
readily
adjourn.
and willingly walk out.
Takes precedence.
Hindi po yung covered ng rule natin, Madam President.
Madam
Kung
President.
sasakali
As
po,
reiterated by the Senate President and as conveyed by the Minority Leader, former Senate President, the rule states that the motion to adjourn takes precedence. I'm not taking sides.
5 p.m. Monday
And we will adjourn session
until 5
until
p.m.
5 p.m.
Monday.
on Monday, June 1st, 2026.
June 2nd? First ba? June 1.
June 1 ba yun?
The birthday of Senator Lacson. So we will have cooler heads.
Okay.
Ay, wala na. Putragis mga kabsat. Diyos ko po, Rudy. Si Leonardo, ibang intention, no? Wala. Siyempre, magwo-walk out na lang. Pinipilit kasi nila. Yan kasi yung problema, mga kabsat. Pinipilit kasi nila yung gusto nilang mangyari. Teka lang. Tingnan natin dito yung mga walk-out moments nila mo sa tab. Walk-out. Minority. Dali lang, check natin. Sigurado maraming lalabas dito. Ito. Oy, si Jinggoy! Nako, may kakasuhan.
Actual motion can be discussed after the motion whether we should take it out. We take
Oh, tinawag na si Kiko, si Zubiri.
offense that bibigyan niya ng ganyang kulay. It's just like us saying, are you afraid if we have
Alis
the
na rin si Iko, no?
hearing on the Blue Ribbon on flood control, mababanggit ka rin. You do not make that kind of statements here in the Senate
Oh, nagsialisa na pati yung mga tao.
because you assume good faith
JB Ejercito, umalis na din.
from everyone. That rule hindi
Pati Sherwin Gatchalian,
minadili.
Risa Ontiveros.
May 11 pa ho yun. So Madam Chair, I move that we divide the House.
And the voting will be done by
Diyos ko lang.
Pinupunan na tayo eh.
O, ito pakinggan natin.
Pinupunan na tayo eh. Pinagpipilitan nila, naisip-isip na siguro nila dahil lumabas sa media, na ilalabas na warrant of arrest. O, para makaboto yung mga yun na makukulong, kung sino man yun.
Oy, grabe kay Erwin Tulfo. Para makaboto yung mga nakakulong. Ay, gravity. Pero real talk yun, ha? Sir Leonardo. Real talk yun. Kaya nila inaamyendahan yung rules para mapayagang bumoto yung mga nakakulong. Kasi alam natin, merong announcement si Boying. Mamaya pakinggan natin si Boying.
Para makaboto sila, o nakakulong man sila.
Sir, ano ba dapat yung rules? Ano dapat? Sir Migs, ano yung dapat na rule natin na? Ano dapat yung rules?
No, this is a travesty of Senate rules. Will not allow it.
Sir, ano yung dapat na gagawin? Di ba dapat ko-constitute muna na yung Committee on Rules?
Yes, wala pa committee no, wala pa nga majority leader.
Yes, sir. So bilang dating majority
We
leader,
will not be part of this. It's a travesty of our rules, of the Senate rules. Hindi kami papayag sa mga ganitong kalokohan.
pwedeng magboto.
Niloloko tayo.
Pwedeng magkasa ng motion na yun, sir. Sir, hindi sila pwedeng magboto. Sir, paano ba yung...
Violation of the rules.
Because they are disobeying our rules.
Sino pa ba?
Sin JV.
Grabe mga kabisat, mainit-init. Diyos ko po, Rudy. Oh, solid black. Ibinahagi ni Kiko Pangilinan ng isang litrato kasama ang kapwa minority members matapos ang kanilang pag-walkout sa Senado sa sesyon ngayong Martes, May 26. Kasunod nito ang mainit na diskusyon na mungkahing amyenda ng rules ng Senado para payagan ang remote participation at electronic voting ng mga senador. Paano makakasuwan sila?
Control, mababanggit ka rin. You do not make that kind of
Wait lang. Nako po mga kakabsat. O sige.
Inserted in Section 41.
Wait lang.
Pinupunan na tayo eh.
Galit na galit si Erwin Tulfo, no? Sa Leonardo. Galit na galit si Erwin Tulfo. My goodness. Hindi ko ina-expect yun kasi yung mga nakita kong feeds, hindi ganun. First time kong marinig yun na sabay-sabay natin pinakinggan. But anyway, mag-subtopic tayo. Continuation natin, Mabsat, kasi tapos na yung Senate hearing. Countdown tayo. Okay, Mabsat. Again, sa mga bagong pasok, huwag kalimutan mag-like and subscribe, Mabsat. Okay, countdown lang tayo saglit, tapos tuloy natin to.